So hello, I'm going to put some colors in this hand. So in order to do that, first click this one, selection tool, drag, select all, then go to object, then expand. After that, go to Pathfinder. If you can find this one, this icon, go to Windows and then Pathfinder here. So this is the Pathfinder. Then click the merge. Okay, after clicking the merge, select the background, background color. So we will put some, then change the color. So I will just select this, use this oops, here, then that one. So back again here, selection, and then right click, send to back. So this will be the background color. So select again, merge again. After merging, click here outside and then click delete. Oops. After clicking this merge, right click and then isolate group. Okay, so click delete. So that's it. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.